Welcome to Tech Goods, the best car battery in 2026. In this video, we break down the most reliable, long-lasting, and high-performance car batteries for every driving need, from daily commutes to extreme weather conditions. We compare durability, cold cranking power, lifespan, and value to help you choose confidently. Stay tuned for honest recommendations, practical tips, and clear buying advice you can trust this year today. Links in the description. Number 5. The Wuldnmar BCI Group 24F car battery is a high-quality AGM automotive battery engineered for dependable performance and long-term reliability. With a 12-volt output and a 70 amp-hour capacity, this battery delivers 710 cold cranking amps, providing confident engine starts in cold weather and stable power in demanding driving conditions. It is designed to support trucks, sedans, and SUVs that require consistent and reliable electrical performance. This battery features a premium maintenance-free AGM construction, which offers improved durability compared to conventional flooded batteries. The internal glass fiber mat technology enhances resistance to vibration, heat, and cold, helping the battery perform reliably across a wide temperature range. Its low self-discharge rate ensures that the battery holds its charge well during periods of inactivity, making it a practical option for both daily drivers and seasonal vehicles. Safety and longevity are key strengths of this model. The sealed design minimizes the risk of acid leakage, corrosion, and spills, making installation and handling safer and cleaner. It is also well suited for vehicles equipped with start-stop systems and additional electrical accessories, as it delivers consistent power without rapid degradation. The Group 24F size and terminal configuration are designed for proper fitment, though careful measurement before purchase is recommended. Users report strong satisfaction with its performance, noting reliable starts and solid build quality even in tight engine bays. Supported by a 36-month warranty, the Wuldnmar Group 24F AGM battery offers excellent value for drivers seeking durability, safety, and dependable starting power. Number 4. The Relistart AGM battery BCI Group 47 is a high-performance automotive battery built to deliver dependable starting power and long-term reliability for a wide range of vehicles. With a 12-volt design and a 60 amp-hour capacity, it produces 680 cold cranking amps, ensuring confident engine starts in cold weather and stable electrical performance in demanding conditions. Its universal fit makes it suitable for passenger cars, trucks, vans, recreational vehicles, tractors, and motorhomes. This battery uses advanced AGM lead-acid technology that provides a completely maintenance-free experience. The sealed and leak-proof construction enhances safety by minimizing the risk of acid spills, corrosion, and fumes. Its reinforced internal design offers superior vibration resistance, which helps extend service life and maintain consistent performance on rough roads or during heavy use. The battery is specifically engineered for vehicles with start-stop systems and modern accessories that require higher and more stable power delivery. In terms of performance, the Group 47 AGM battery offers a 105 reserve capacity, allowing it to support electrical components for extended periods. It operates reliably in extreme temperatures, from severe winter cold to high summer heat, without significant loss of efficiency. The low internal resistance improves conductivity and ensures quick energy transfer, while the deep cycle capability provides up to 4 times the cycle life compared to conventional batteries. User experiences highlight strong satisfaction, with many noting improved cold cranking power over original equipment batteries at a lower price. Even when minor fit adjustments are needed, overall performance and value remain impressive. The Relistart Group 47 AGM battery is a solid choice for drivers seeking durability, safety, and excellent value. Number 3. The Relistart AGM battery BCI Group 48 is a high-quality automotive battery engineered for reliable starting power and long-lasting performance in modern passenger vehicles. With a 12-volt output and a 70 amp-hour capacity, this H6 size battery delivers 720 cold cranking amps, providing confident engine starts even in harsh winter conditions. Its strong 130 reserve capacity supports extended electrical loads, making it suitable for vehicles with frequent stop-and-go driving and multiple accessories. This battery uses advanced AGM start-stop technology that significantly improves durability and cycle life compared to traditional lead-acid batteries. The high-density negative paste construction helps extend service life while maintaining stable power output over time. Its maintenance-free design eliminates the need for regular fluid checks, offering added convenience for everyday drivers. The battery performs consistently across a wide temperature range, ensuring dependable operation in both extreme heat and cold. Safety and structural integrity are key highlights of this model. The sealed and leak-resistant design contains no free acid, reducing the risk of corrosion or spills. It is also built to withstand high levels of vibration, which helps maintain performance and reliability in demanding driving conditions. Manufactured to meet original equipment standards, it serves as a dependable replacement option when proper fitment is confirmed. User experiences show positive results, including successful use in equipment beyond standard cars, such as commercial mowers. Overall, the Relistart Group 48 AGM battery offers a balanced combination of strong cold starting power, extended cycle life, and enhanced safety, making it a dependable choice for drivers seeking long-term value and consistent performance. Number 2. The UPLUS BCI Group 47 car battery is a high-quality AGM automotive battery built for dependable performance and long-term durability. Designed with a 12-volt system and a 60 amp-hour capacity, this H5 Group 47 battery delivers 660 cold cranking amps, providing confident engine starts in cold weather and consistent power for daily driving. Its 105 reserve capacity supports stable operation of modern vehicle electronics and accessories. This battery uses advanced AGM lead-acid technology with a maintenance-free design, eliminating the need for water refilling or regular upkeep. The high-density negative paste and enhanced life alloy construction significantly extends service life, offering up to 4 times the cycling capability of conventional lead-acid batteries. It is especially well-suited for vehicles with start-stop systems, frequent short trips, and heavy electrical demands such as navigation, heated seating, and entertainment systems. Performance is further strengthened by the calcium lead-positive grid, which improves conductivity and lowers internal resistance. This ensures reliable cranking power and efficient energy delivery even during cold winter starts. The battery also maintains consistent output during stop-and-go traffic and extended idle periods. Safety is a key advantage with a sealed, non-spill design that contains no free acid and a vent cap system that reduces the risk of leaks. Enhanced vibration resistance helps protect internal components and improve reliability over time. User reviews highlight excellent fitment and noticeable performance improvements compared to original equipment batteries. Many drivers report smooth operation and strong starting power from the first month of use. Overall, the UPLUS Group 47 AGM battery is a dependable and well-balanced choice for drivers seeking durability, safety, and reliable starting performance. Number 1. The Wuldnmar 12V BCI Group 47 Life PO4 lithium car battery is a premium lightweight battery designed for modern passenger vehicles requiring reliable start-stop performance. With a 12.8-volt output, 600 cold cranking amps, and an H5 size, it delivers consistent and powerful engine starts while weighing only 11 pounds. Its compact dimensions of 9.60 inches by 6.92 inches by 7.75 inches and standard polarity ensure easy installation and perfect fitment in vehicles compatible with Group 47 batteries. This battery features advanced Life PO4 lithium technology, which provides superior energy density, extended cycle life, and enhanced overall efficiency compared to conventional lead-acid batteries. It is designed to withstand thousands of charge cycles, offering long-term reliability and consistent performance for vehicles with high electrical demands. Its lightweight construction contributes to improved vehicle efficiency and can reduce fuel consumption, making it an eco-friendly and practical upgrade for any vehicle. Safety is a major strength of this battery. The integrated battery management system offers protection against overcharge, overdischarge, and overcurrent, ensuring safe operation even when powering modern electronics and start-stop systems. Smart protection circuits also minimize maintenance and extend battery life, providing a hassle-free ownership experience. The Wuldnmar Group 47 Life PO4 battery is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including popular models from Chevrolet, Toyota, Ford, Honda, and BMW. Users report excellent performance with faster starts and abundant power for demanding applications such as marine or recreational use. With its combination of safety, reliability, and lightweight efficiency, the Wuldnmar Life PO4 battery is an excellent choice for drivers seeking a modern, high-performance automotive battery. That wraps up our review of the best car batteries in 2026. We have covered top options that offer reliability, long lifespan, and strong starting power for all types of vehicles. Be sure to choose a battery that matches your car's specifications for optimal performance. Check the links in the description for more information and the latest prices. Thank you for watching and stay charged on the road.